I want to show you guys the fastest way to set up a daytime light scene inside of Unreal Engine 5. Inside of Unreal Engine 5, you can see we have this scene here. I basically searched for anything that was already a light in it, and we're going to just delete it. What we're going to do is we're going to come up to this Windows tab and click on Environment Light Mixer. Once we have this, we can come in here and create the different elements we need to create a sky and a light and all the effects around daytime lighting. So if I click Create Skylight, create Atmospheric Light, create Volumetric Clouds, and create Height Fog, you can see with literally clicking 4 or 5 buttons there, we have daytime lighting set up. And what's great about this window now is that if you scroll down, you can see actually I have all of my tools for creating daytime light in one place. So if I want to adjust the brightness of, say, the skylight and kind of boost up that ambient term, I can do that right from here without having to look through my outliner to find it. Or if I think that the overall light intensity from my main directional light is too bright, or I want to introduce a little bit of color to it, I can do that all from this one tab as well. And this gives me a lot of potential and a lot of power to make changes. If you appreciated this video and you want to see more, feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.